How long does it take to make a beat? That's a great question. It really depends if you're using this. I'm trying some new things out. Look at that shutter. Do you see this? That light coming down from the ceiling? Yeah, that's why the aura around my hair is so beautiful. I've said enough. I've obviously had enough coffee as well. No. Yo, I am Humonic. For people in the Northern Hemisphere, I don't know why that matters. The first day of summer is June 21st, so spring is in the air. I want to make a beat that reflects the transition from spring to summer, which normally means happy, vibed out, sunshine, chill beats. But my children are about to wake up, so we gotta do it. We gotta do it right. By the power vested in me, I call upon the Hourglass of BAP. Are you ready? Before I turn this thing over, I want to say thank you, and that I'm proud of you if you've already subscribed to this channel. If you're not, check out some of my videos. Really, I've been working really hard at putting out really exciting videos. Some of them will blow your mind, quite frankly. So welcome if you're new. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button and then comment on what you like the most, or maybe what you disliked. Just really put your heart into it. Let the sunshine rise and let the sands shift through space and time. The Hourglass of BAP begins now. Okay. We gotta start with drums, of course. That's a nice chill kick. I like that. There's one crunchy shaker. That's cool though. Alright. A hi-hat. Since I can't find a closed hi-hat, I'll just take an open one and shorten it. My goodness. I don't have time to dilly-dally on these details. Oh yes, that's what it is. I want it to have some nice swing. This is how much time I've spent on the drums. Who knows how much time it actually is? It's all in sand time. Sounds ominous. Ooh! I love a good glide on a lead synth sound. Like, let's just do a simple chord progression. Simple. That's what I wanted. There's way too much delay on that. Jeez. I'm gonna render that to audio. She needs to be sleeping. Sonny's got a fever. Guitar. I didn't even tune my guitar beforehand. I didn't even set up my mic stand, so I'm just going to set my microphone right there. audio track. Man, my children are crying in the background. I feel like a terrible father. It's Mother's Day, so let's just record that. That sucked. Whatever. I'm just gonna take that first one because it repeats pretty accurately, I guess. I think we're gonna have to call this quits, y'all. I got daddy duties to attend to, and a wonderful Mother's Day breakfast to cook. Oh, that's not bad though. My children are for real crying. I love you all. Thanks for listening. This is all you get. Shout out to all the moms out there and the fathers that are delaying their duties. Peace. It's okay, Sonny. I'm on the way. Okay. I came back to the studio and I added a few things. It's a lot better now, though. It was well worth it. I hope you enjoy.